So one of the newest products that we've introduced a couple of years ago is the new SmartSPRAY, and it's an in-platform teat spray system that we have a spray bullet underneath every cow, and it's controlled by the electronic cup remover. And the purpose of this product is to be able to spray teat spray on the cow immediately after cups off while the teat orifice is still open. This year we have a new design for the spray bullet. It has a slightly different profile and shape, which is designed to better suit older, low-slung cows or cows with lower udders where the cluster sits a bit deeper, and it's designed to allow better recessing for that to happen. Also has different nozzle positions, which I'll show you in a moment. But what we'll do is we'll trigger it in a few moments. I'll show you how the spray actually happens. You can select all of these, the duration of the spray, so how much spray you put on each cow, and when it happens after cup removal. We can tune that with the master controller, and I'll show you that in a few moments as well. I'll just see if we can trigger it here. So we'll turn the unit on, and I'll just... So that has a pretty long setting there, so I tuned that for a 2-second spray, which is very long. In real life, you'd normally only have that at about 0.8 of a second, and that's the kind of fine tuning we have. We can select spray duration in 0.1 second increments, so very, very small. So that example at 2 seconds, very long. We have found that in the springtime last year when it was very wet, we had some customers tuning their systems from 0.8 of a second up to about 1.2 seconds, and that effectively puts about 50% more teat spray over the cow's udder when it's in a particularly mucky environment. It just helps prevent mastitis. So one of the features of this new spray bullet is it's recessed all the way through, which allows the cluster to sit lower where we have a deeper uddered cow. One of the other features of this new design also is the spray nozzles are removable, so it's probably not easy to see here, but the spray nozzle is on a rectangular plate, and they can be removed out and rotated around, and that allows us to tune the position of the nozzle depending on the size of the cows that are on any particular farm. So in this particular case, we have both nozzles at the forwardmost position. You can imagine that we can take that one out and rotate it 180 degrees and put the nozzles more closely together or further apart, or obviously we can shift the spray nozzles also back in the bullet. So there's a lot of flexibility. It's also very, very easy to service when we can pull these out.